गाइस पिछले लेक्चर में मैंने आपको टिकिंटल लाइब्रेरी का इंट्रोडक्शन करवाई थी that how we can install टिकिंटल library in Python for VS Code by using VS Code and how we and why we use टिकिंटल library in Python. We use टिकिंटल library for creating GUI, graphical user interface. GUI means creating some kind of window for some work, and in this video I will let you know that how we can make a simple kind of calculator using टिकिंटल library. So we can make this calculator using टिकिंटल library by writing this code. I will explain that how I have written this code. First I have bought this library and then I have created a main window, and I have explained this coding in the last lecture. I will create a variable in the name of a root and I will store the टिकिंटल library here. Then I will create a title of the window, the geometry of the window, what size of the window I want to, and then then I want resizing or not. Then I will have to create a global expression variable, that what kind of expression I want. Then I will add some functions for creating buttons, for creating numbers, for creating different signs in which are necessary in calculators, which you see in calculators function too. Now first I have press functions, and it's kind of global functions I have defined, and these all things I have stored in it. Then I have made a function for equal sign, for creating equal button. This you just try this code. And then I have created a function for the clear button. Okay, you can see here I have also made this global. Then I have created a variable for making an input for the function, and then I have created different entries, or we can say different, for displaying of that input in the GUI. I have created a variable here. I have entered different sizes and then justified it to the right, and then I have entered X and then button frame for creating frame for buttons, and button layouts. These buttons will be stored in my calculator. If I want to extend the list, I can extend the list. Then for creating button I will use loop, for loop, and all this coding I will store. I have explained all these functions, all these variables, what are variables, what are functions, in the basic lectures. You can see my lectures, subscribe my channel and see the playlist of my Python lectures. You can understand that what this means. I am just showing the code which you will write to make a calculator, simple calculator in Python. Then for the displaying, root.main loop and run the code. When I run the code I get a simple calculator. Okay, this is a simple calculator as you see. Now I want to add some numbers, for example 12 plus 12, and what is equal to 12 plus 2 equal to 14. For example 78, I want to multiply 14, 78, I want to multiply at 8, so it gives me this number. So this is the way you can create a simple calculator. If you don't know the basics, functions, variables, classes, so go to my lecture, go to my playlist, subscribe my channel and go to my playlist. You will understand that easily. Okay, so you have understood, I think you have understood if you have seen my lectures. So in the coming lectures I will show you the different kinds of exercises, more exercises about Tikinter library. So subscribe my channel, like and subscribe my